guys, welcome back to our repair, guys. If you have a Ford Fiesta and your tail lights do not work, you have two possibilities. One is you have a bad fuse, second you have bad bulbs. But not very often both bulbs will go bad at the same time. So most likely, if both of them do not work, you have a bad fuse. And we will demonstrate which fuse is for the tail lights. Hopefully the video will be helpful. More than 200 videos, guys, coming on this car. We are taking apart the whole thing. So if you have a Fiesta from 2008 to 2017, subscribe and many more videos to come. Okay, check out now. We'll turn the lights on. Okay, the lights are on. And no tail lights at all. So let's go ahead, replace the fuse and show you which one it is. So what we will need to do, guys, we will need to open the hood now. Okay, support it, of course. And the fuse box, okay, one of the fuse boxes is located, okay, right here by the battery. So we need to squish on both sides towards each other. Okay, and gently pull it out. You have some hoses here on the side, careful not to damage them. I think this is for the windshield washers. Okay, and that's how you remove the lid. So once you remove the lid, you can see the number of the fuses printed on the back side. We'll need to remove fuse 25, which is for the front left headlight and tail lights as well. So we'll go ahead, okay, I'll grab a new one. Let's go ahead and replace it now. Especially if you have a hitch, very often you can burn those. So let's go ahead, okay, turn the lights on. Let's just turn the lights on now. Okay, and see, yep, our tail lights work now. You can see on both sides. Perfect. So that's how you guys fix it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.